Kowalski with Kowalski Chiropractic. I'm just going to show you a couple different chiropractic adjustments to help with mid-back, low back, and neck pain. So when we're talking about the low back, first thing we want to check out is how much tension and how the joints are lined up and moving. So if the back's kind of compressed and tight, we usually stretch it out, get that decompressed. So this is what this looks like. Our table kind of can move up and down while we just manually decompress and stretch out the back. This is especially good if you have like a disc that's flared up and we want to calm that down and decompress that. And so we would do this for a few minutes, get that low back decompressed and stretched out, and take some of the stress off of that. And the next thing we want to look at is just how the hips and low back are lined up. If there's a spot that's a little bit locked up, we want to adjust that and get that loosened up. So Haley has one spot on this left side, so I'll have her go on her side facing me this way. Good. Bring your top knee up right there and cross the arm here. So we just want to restore good movement to this joint, get that loosened up, and help that low back feel better here. Perfect. And then we'll have you go on your back next. All right, when we're talking about neck pain, there's 7 different bones that we want to check and make sure those are lined up and moving good. And there she has a couple little restricted spots we're going to adjust in her neck here. Good there. And then another thing we want to check, if you have a disc that's flared up in the neck, we want to just do some general traction and decompression with the neck. So we just take this towel, wrap it around the neck, and we're just going to just gently pull up until we just feel just a little stretch. And we're going to hold this for a few minutes and just kind of decompress the neck. A lot of times if you have pain going down the arm or numbness in the hands, sometimes it can be coming from the neck. So we want to make sure this is decompressed and just take some of the stress off that and help those discs heal up if they're kind of flared up in the neck also. And when we're talking about mid-back pain, we want to make sure everything's lined up and moving good through here. Also, where the ribs come and connect, we want to check, make sure all the ribs are where they need to be and moving well. Sometimes if you have rib pain, it'll cause pain wrapping around the side or even pain with deep breaths. So she has a few spots just a little locked up through the mid-back here. We'll adjust. Good, and one a little higher up here. Good. And that's just kind of an example of how we can adjust the neck and back just to help you move and feel your best.